When the report came out that persons in Montego Bay, more notably gangsters, were smoking cigarette soaked in embalming fluid to aid in some of their daring crimes, I didn't want it to believe it until I saw this video.
Good feeling. Watch out, my rascal. Yo, get some water for me. I want to make him mark.
To begin with, embalming is a process performed by licensed embalmers to prevent human remains from decomposing. The intention is to keep them suitable for public display at a funeral or for other religious reasons. Embalming fluid contains a variety of chemicals, but the base component of each mixture is formaldehyde, which can be found surprisingly in pressed wood, engineered flooring, installation, furnitures, paints, and adhesive. And smoking formaldehyde is unsurprisingly a bad idea. It is highly toxic, and according to the US for Disease Control, CDC, it is certified as cancerous. With that said, it is generally something you don't want in your body if your heart is still beating. The method is referred to as wet or fry, whereby individuals use a combination of marijuana and the cigarette, which is then dipped or laced with formaldehyde, which can result into permanent psychological breakdown.
What up, Jesus Christ? Rascal! Yo, you don't know him, mother? You want to call him on mother, yo? You want to call him mother, dog? You have him mother number?
Call him on mother, dog. Bumbleclot, him man a go, dog. The embalming fluid, dog. I tag him on over the sabon, young bad man. Tell him man to run the embalming fluid alone in a bad bumbleclot, yo.
I get a number for you, mother. I get a number for you.
Man, mother, dog. When girl left, bumbleclot. Bumbleclot, dog.
Embalming fluid.
Bumbleclot, dog.
See, sitting there, man, when I said the take for a man in the blood clot, embalm fluid, yo. See it in the back class, I hit him on off the blood clot with the cigarette and the weed, yo. See it,
embalming fluid, dog. This man they smoke from when you not kill it.
We go kill him, you know.
Man for top smoking, dog. It a fuck up you them meds, you know, yo. Yeah, man.
Rascal. Mr. Lecky, man. Rascal. Yes, man.
If I dem a fluid, you not go and take, boy. You will forget for. They say me things you fix, man, you know. I fluid in take. So you run out of sight, me don't know when gone. So, man, them have to make sure so they not take in a rasta. You understand? See it there, see it me the dash there. See it there. At the embalming fluid. I me a dash way. See it? So youth, you don't realize not take no more of this. Mash up the buckle. So you not take no more it, youth. Not take no more embalming fluid. When a man a go on a cigarette, watch, look on it, watch everything. When a man a go on a spliff, watch everything. Because once you don't take it, a gone and no gone youth.
Thanks again for watching, tubers. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe.